everybody, I'm going to make a giraffe. It's for kids. Kids art, hope you enjoy it. Just going to start by making a square circle or a rounded square. And then make some ears over here. And another ear here, like a half oval shape. 2 horns. And just draw the lines like that. And then a circle connecting the two. You can draw a line going across towards the bottom. Make the 2 nostrils and the eyes. And to make the body, you can go make a long neck and then a square body over here. And you can decorate your giraffe by making squares on its body. To make the squares different parts to make it a little asymmetrical. And then, like giraffes have, they have the long legs. So you can make 4 long legs, just like this. And you make a little tail coming out. For the background, you can make him set in grassy area, grassy plain area. It's right here with the neck, and then coming out over here, part of the plain, and then you can have a mountain coming up this way with the sun on the side and some little fluffy clouds on both sides. Then, to show the foreground, you can make just 1 straight line. You can make it curved if you want, some little grass popping out. Over here, I want to make a little tree. You can just make the trunk like this, and then have some leaves. We'll paint over this, so it doesn't matter too much if I'm making a little dark area there. Okay, so there's my cartoon giraffe, and I'm ready to paint.